Welcome to this video, which will take you through the transformation of a performance coupe into a unique, amphibious vehicle. The initial concept sketches show the vehicle's design evolution, balancing its powerful look with the new functional requirements for water travel. The first phase involved building a custom steel frame to provide a robust structure for the amphibious modifications and support systems. Next, a custom fiberglass shell was molded and fabricated to create the boat-like hull essential for buoyancy and hydrodynamics. The engineering team prepared the powerful propulsion system, including the electric motors and high-thrust fans, for integration. These custom-designed, large-diameter fans are critical for providing the necessary thrust to move the vehicle through water. The assembly process began with the core vehicle, a high-performance coupe ready for its conversion. Installation of the amphibious equipment, particularly the large propulsion fans, required precise fitting and integration with the vehicle's body. Inside the vehicle, a sophisticated electronic control system and battery pack managed the electric motors for water propulsion. The completed vehicle stands ready in the workshop, showcasing the seamless integration of automotive design and marine engineering. A final view in the workshop highlights the striking aesthetics and the technical complexity of the finished amphibious car. Before water testing, the vehicle was put through its paces on the road, confirming its original driving capabilities remained intact. Performance metrics were recorded, showing that the vehicle still retains its speed and power in its land mode. Controlled driving tests, like the slalom, validated the car's handling and stability with the added equipment. Close-up shots confirmed the integrity of the wheels and suspension during high-speed road maneuvers. The amphibious vehicle enters the water, transitioning from land to marine environments for its first water trial. Slowly, the vehicle dips further, with the custom hull providing the necessary buoyancy to float on the water's surface. The propulsion fans activate, generating thrust and moving the vehicle away from the dock and into the open water. With increasing speed, the vehicle demonstrates its maneuverability, smoothly navigating the water with minimal drag. The design proves effective as the car moves swiftly across the water, creating a noticeable wake behind it. Testing continues at higher speeds, confirming the stability and performance of the amphibious design in open water conditions. The vehicle successfully navigates a turn, showcasing the directional control provided by the unique fan configuration. A frontal view captures the dynamic movement of the amphibious car as it cuts through the water. The design remains cohesive and stylish even in the water, blending automotive form with marine function. The final water test run validates the successful transformation into a high-performance amphibious vehicle. Returning to shore, the car seamlessly transitions back onto land, ready for its next journey. Thank you for watching this video on the transformation of a coupe into a truly amphibious machine.